So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Glaze, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful ombre, rainbow ombre nails using my cocktail collection. So yeah, before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then come back and let's dive right into it. So I've already prepped the nails using my nail prep and my primer. I've also already applied a thin layer of clear acrylic, and in this video we are going to use our cocktail collection using the tequila sunrise jungle juice, our watermelon daiquiri, our limoncello fizz, and our paradise cocktail, and also our unicorn kisses. So yeah, you guys, these are the beautiful colors with glitters from our cocktail collection that I'm using. I'm making 8 ombre with them. I thought I was filming the blue one, but I wasn't. So I'm just starting off first with the color in between, or I mean in the middle. So as you can see, I'm just starting off with the color in the middle first, and then with the color on the tip, and to blend it better in, to get a better blend and a yeah, I'm just going to play around with it. Make sure you use thin layers of your acrylic, because you have to encapsulate this nail after you're done with your acrylic. So make sure you work wet with wet acrylic so you can make that ombre effect and it blend beautifully in each other. So this is what I'm doing, and don't forget, before I'm doing this, I've already applied a thin layer of clear acrylic, because these colors are really pigmented. You can really easily stain your client's natural nail, so you don't want that. So that's why I always apply a thin layer of clear acrylic and do not apply these colored acrylic directly on the natural nail. Okay, so when I'm done doing that, I'm using my fave colored at the moment, our Frosty, our cover color Frosty, and I'm using that on the nail bed to make the ombre beautiful. It's like a white pinkish color, but I just love it. So make sure you dab on the cuticle area, and then swipe so you can create a beautiful blend. Make sure you work fast, because you don't want your acrylic to dry on you. And yeah, so make sure you work fast. If you didn't see my video of how to apply acrylic, go ahead and watch that video. I'll put it in the link below so you can go and check it out. And don't forget to apply this also thin, but make sure you can get a really nice coverage on the nail bed, because we are going to encapsulate the nails when we are done. And if you think you have applied too much pink pearl, our frosty, go ahead with a little bit of more color, so you can, play around with it and until you're satisfied. Okay, so now that I'm done with that step, I'm using our crystal clear to encapsulate the whole entire nail. And you guys, I know you're going to ask me about my filing bits and my brushes. You guys, don't worry. For my birthday in September, I will be launching, or maybe sooner, I don't know, but I'm working on some brushes, some Kolinsky brushes, and also some nail bits that you guys are asking me for, and my nail tips. So don't worry, you guys, they will be coming. And also my birthday collection. Oh yes, oh yes. Thank you so much for your patience, you guys. I'm not posting consistently, but now, you guys, I already have videos planned for this whole month. So every Sunday this month you will be guaranteed to receive a video, okay? I owe you guys that. I know you guys are so supportive. I just love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your patience. Okay, so now I'm using my fine bit to smooth down the nails and to also shape the nails. And you guys, if you didn't go ahead and order some things on our website yet, you're late, you guys, because some things are already sold out, but they will be soon restocked. Don't worry, they will be restocked soon. And especially our painting gels, you guys, they went so fast, so they will be restocked soon. But go ahead and shop on our online store. And yeah, go grab some frosties, some cocktail collection, you know, to recreate a set. And if you recreate this set, don't forget to mention me on Instagram. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't forget to mention me on Instagram, you guys. So now I'm using my triangle bit to get into the cuticle area to make it even, to make it look like the acrylic is coming just from your nail, from your skin. And now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going in with my buffer to just get rid of those filing lines, not to make it like you want to buff the nails to keep the nails like a little bit rough so the top coat can stick, but not like too shiny, so the because when the nails is if the nail is too shiny, the gloss top coat won't stick on the nail. So make sure you buff the nails but not too like shiny. Okay, so now I'm using one of my favorites again, my Sandy Juice. This is actually 70% alcohol, but with a twist, with some color and some it's not a flavor but a scent, and love it, you guys. It just smells so good. Make sure you go and grab yours because they are going fast. So make sure you are going to order yours on our website. Now I'm using my glossy top coat to top of the nails, and I'm curing it for 60 seconds under my lamp. So this is the final result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to go on my web shop to shop your products and our cocktail collection. our frosty, our glossy top coat, our sunny juice. Go ahead, grab your things, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.